The Model Y is coming out, the Model X, we've got Model X i4 over here, we've got Model 3. It's all sorts of EVs right now. And we want to make sure all our EV owners know that it is actually worth getting your car coated so that you don't have to worry about getting it scratched or UV damaged or whatnot. This is going to have, again, the three words, peace of mind. You're going to have a peace of mind on your vehicle, about your vehicle getting protected in Australia weather.